This video assumes the user has a basic knowledge of DegreeWorks. Please watch the DegreeWorks at Montana State University video for an introduction to DegreeWorks. Completing a plan prior to an advising appointment adds value to the appointment and is required by some departments. This allows time for discussion regarding electives, internships, research opportunities, career goals, and nuances in course choices. Plans are easier if students have accurately declared all intended degrees, majors, and minors through the Office of the Registrar. Once you are logged into DegreeWorks, click on the Plans tab. On the Plans tab, there will be a Create Plan pop-up window if no plan exists. Be sure your browser is allowing pop-ups. Click Blank Plan. Creating a blank plan brings up a window to begin building the plan. The first step is to give the plan a name or description. Multiple plans can be created, and the description is used to differentiate between each of the plans. The second step is to select a starting term in the drop-down menu for your plan. Use the plus button in the top right of the window. Additional terms can be added now or later using the same process. Notice there is now a header bar for each term that was added to the plan. This is where requirements will be added. There are several methods to add requirements to the plan. Students may drag and drop from their personalized Still Needed list, hand enter specific courses, or drag and drop from the catalog of courses. On the right-hand side of the window, there is a Still Needed list that mirrors the worksheet, showing only the requirements still needed in the student's declared curriculum. Click the Expand arrows to view the requirements that are still needed in each curriculum block. Click and drag courses from the list to the term header bar on the plan. The first course must be dropped directly into the term header bar for it to be added to the term. After the first course, additional courses can be dropped anywhere inside the term box. Another option to add courses to the term is to click on the plus symbol at the right side of the term header. To add a specific course, choose the Course requirement. Enter the course information into the box and tab or click out of the box. If the course does not match a valid course, an error will appear. A choice option can also be selected from the drop-down. This allows multiple courses to be entered. Or wildcards if the exact course is not known. The @ symbol is the placeholder or wildcard used in DegreeWorks. The last option is to add courses from the Courses list. The catalog of courses is located below the Still Needed course list. Click anywhere on the Courses bar to view a list of all the courses offered at Montana State University. Expand any of the subjects to view a list of courses. Any course can be added by clicking and dragging it into the term. There are a few things to be aware of when adding courses to the plan. DegreeWorks does not check for successfully completed prerequisites, potential time conflicts, or if the course is offered the term it is planned. These registration restrictions must still be monitored by the student and advisor. However, DegreeWorks displays this information with a single click. To view this information for a course already in the plan, click the blue I button next to the course. If the course is in the Still Needed or Courses list, simply click on the course. A pop-up window will appear that lists the semesters offered, the scheduled times in upcoming semesters, and the prerequisites for the selected course. Something else of which to be aware is that courses with variable credits or partnered with a lab, recitation, or studio section will default to the fewest possible credits. This means for a course with a lab, the credits will default to 0. Simply change the credits to the correct amount by typing directly in the credit field. The correct number of credits can be found using the course pop-up. An error will appear showing the correct credits if the entered credits are not compatible. Once all the requirements have been added to the plan, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen below the Still Needed list. To check for additional unplanned courses, click the Refresh button at the top of the Still Needed list. DegreeWorks updates the Still Needed list to show remaining requirements that are not on the plan. To verify that all requirements are complete or planned for, use the Audit feature. With a saved plan, the Audit button generates a pop-up window showing the main worksheet view, including planned courses. To return to the plan, click the X in the upper right corner of the Audit pop-up. To return to the worksheet, ensure that you have saved any changes to the plan. The Save button will not be clickable if there have been no changes since the last save. Simply click on the Worksheet tab. This plan can also be viewed and even edited by an advisor during an advising appointment. The next time the Plans tab is viewed, the plan list will appear showing all previously created plans. To edit a plan, simply double-click it. To create a new plan, click on the New Plan button in the top right corner. If you have any questions while using DegreeWorks, see your advisor. You may also use the Help or Frequently Asked Question links at the top of the page. Included, you will find contact information for DegreeWorks support.